So, what if dance could do more than build technique? What if it could actually change how someone connects with the world? Today, we're diving into a fascinating research paper that looks at dance as an intervention for individuals with autism spectrum disorder. And it asks a really important question. Can dance improve social interaction, communication, and other core symptoms of autism? And more importantly, what does the best available evidence actually say? So first, let's set the stage. Autism spectrum disorder, or ASD, is a neurodevelopmental condition characterized by challenges with social communication and interaction and repetitive behaviors or restricted interests. And these challenges can impact daily life in really meaningful ways. Now, traditionally, interventions include things like speech therapy, behavioral therapy, and psychosocial interventions. But these can be expensive, time-intensive, and not always accessible. So researchers have been asking, could something like dance, something embodied, expressive, and social, offer additional benefits? Because think about it, dance isn't just movement. It's communication, timing, shared attention, emotional expression, and even something called mirroring, where two people move together, which may activate systems in the brain linked to understanding others. So what did this research study do? This study pulled together results from 7 different research studies, including about 250 participants with autism spectrum disorder, with ages ranging from children to adults. The dance interventions varied, but generally looked like 1 to 2 sessions per week, 40 to 90 minutes per session, over about 7 to 17 weeks. And importantly, they compared dance to either no intervention or to other activities like exercise or therapy. And the researchers looked at 3 key outcomes: overall autism spectrum disorder symptoms, social interaction, and empathy. So, what did they find? First, dance improved overall autism spectrum disorder symptoms. The results showed a significant reduction in overall symptoms for individuals who participated in dance. That means fewer behavioral challenges and improvements in attention, affect, or engagement. And this is a big deal because these are core features of ASD. Second, dance improved social interaction. And this was one of the strongest findings. Dance led to significant improvements in social interaction with very consistent results across studies. So what does that actually look like? More eye contact, better engagement with others, and improved nonverbal communication. And when you think about dance, it naturally requires responding to others, coordinating movement, and sharing space and timing. So it makes sense that it could help build these skills. And the third finding was no significant improvement in empathy. Yes, interestingly, the study found no significant changes in empathy. And this is where things get really nuanced. Empathy is complex. It includes emotional responses, cognitive understanding of others, and perspective taking. And the authors suggest a few reasons why dance may not have impacted this. Number 1, empathy develops over long periods, not just weeks. Number 2, it's harder to measure this accurately. And number 3, it may require different types of interventions. So based on these results, why might dance be effective? The researchers suggest 4 key mechanisms. Number 1, multisensory integration. Dance combines movement, music, visual cues, and social interaction. And this engages multiple brain systems all at once. Number 2, neuroplasticity. Dance may promote changes in the brain, including better sensory motor integration and stronger connections between brain regions. Number 3, embodied communication. For individuals who struggle with verbal communication, dance offers a nonverbal pathway to express emotion, connect with others, and build relationships. And number 4, structure plus creativity. Especially in dance or movement therapy, participants are encouraged to explore movement freely, express emotions through the body, and engage in group interaction, which may help reduce social barriers. Now, very important, this is promising research, but not perfect. Some key limitations were that there were only 7 studies included, there were small sample sizes, there were different types of dance and protocols, and there was variability in the measurement tools. So while these results are definitely encouraging, we need more research to understand the best type of dance, the optimal frequency and duration, and how dance compares to other interventions. So, what can we take away from this? Dance is more than art, it's a powerful embodied intervention. It may help reduce symptoms and improve social interaction in autism spectrum disorder. But it's not a complete solution, especially for complex traits like empathy. And we still need more high quality research moving forward. Ballet, and dance more broadly, isn't just about performance. It's neuromuscular training, social learning, emotional expression, and cognitive engagement, and those benefits extend far beyond the studio. If you found this episode interesting, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you seen dance impact communication or social skills, or are you working with dancers in clinical or educational settings? Let me know in the comments. The research publication I discussed today is titled Dance Intervention for Negative Symptoms in Individuals with Autism Spectrum Disorder, a Systematic Review and Meta-Analysis, and was published in 2022 in the journal Complementary Therapies in Clinical Practice. If you want to look into this research further, I will include the full citation and a link to the article in the show notes. Thank you to the authors for their wonderful work on this important topic. Thank you for joining me today for the Ballet Science Podcast. Whether you are a dancer, teacher, student, or simply curious about the mechanics behind movement, I appreciate you being here today. Each week, we'll explore the intersection of science and ballet, from injury prevention and biomechanics to nutrition, mindset, and everything in between. If you enjoyed this episode, please follow this podcast, leave a review, and share it with your friends and dance community. If there are specific topics you'd like to hear about in future episodes, feel free to share them in the comments below. You can also follow Ballet Science on social media and visit our website at ballet.science for additional information. Thank you again for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you next time on the Ballet Science Podcast.